Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, good evening. If this is your evening, or good night. In case this is your night, ụtụtụ ọma maka ndị ugbu a bụ ụtụtụ ha. Ehihie ọma for those that are having now as their afternoon. Mgbede ọma for those who have this as their evening. And abalị ọma for those who have this as their night. Wherever you are, you're welcome to live class. This is the Igbo tutor live. Ndewonu. Ke onye nọ na class ugbu a, who is in the class? Ahụrụ m Maazị Clement Emeghe. Oh, Clement ụtụtụ ọma, daalụ. Biko, ị na-anụ olu m? Are you hearing me clearly? Maazị Clement, please confirm if you can hear me very well. No. Maazị Clement. Okay. Please confirm if you can hear me well. Okay. Ọ sịrị that means he's hearing me very well. So Mazi Clement bụ onye mbụ na class taa. You are the first in the class today. I appreciate that. Ndewo. Ke maka ndị ọzọ, lee ebe ha nọ. Ịma na ị kwesịrị ịnọ na class ya ugbu a, biko bịa na class. If you know you should be in the class by now, okay? You should be joining by now. Okay. Gee ntị only tata. Okay. I think you wanted to say aga m ege naanị ntị taa. Let me put that in writing. Yeah, I will be listening. Maybe you are busy doing something. Agam ege. Okay. Agam. Let me see what you want to write. Ege. Naani. Nti. Tata. Maybe this is what you want to write. Agam ege naani nti tata. I will only listen today. So, no wada chika. Dalo na class. No. Wada chika. Ole ke kunu mere. Chika ke ki mere. Ana-emekwa. Okay. Chika and Mazi Clement. You're always first to be in the class. Appreciate that. Chika, can you hear me very well? Please confirm you can hear me. Wada Chika. Okay. Ademumma dalu dewo. So Chika, you're having the crown number 2 today, and Emehe is crown number 1. I think YouTube is recognizing 2 of you as regular students to our live class, and they're giving you crown as a sign of appreciation for your being consistent in our live classes. So that's why you have won these crowns, crown number 1 and number 2. I observe that you are the only 2 people that YouTube has given this crown. So congratulations to you. I think you deserve some form of flowers, right? So you deserve your flowers to be given to you. Congratulations to both of you for always coming to class. Okay, right on time. We appreciate you so much. Unemela. Okay, these are for 2 of you, Emehe and Chika. We appreciate you. Okay, so we are moving on, waiting for others to join the class. Hope they will join any moment from now, because Emeh has said it appears he's busy, he'll be listening, so he wouldn't be typing or doing any other thing. So that's why we need to, wait for others to join, maybe 1 or 2 more persons before we start fully. But Chika, please confirm if you can hear me very well, clearly. Nwada Chika, ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma? Ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma, Nwada Chika? Achọrọ m ịnụ olu gị. Yeah, all right. That's great. Ndewo. Let's start personal conversation. Tupu ndị ọzọ join ya. Chika, kee maka Senegal. ọkwa nsogbu adịghị na Senegal. Kee maka Senegal. Eji m aka na nsogbu adịghị na obodo Senegal. Ọkwa eziokwu? Yeah, waiting for your response. Ọkwa nsogbu adịghị n'obodo Senegal. Ka m n'olu Chika. Let me get Chika's response before we move on. Okay. While we are waiting for others to join. So if you should be in this class, do well to join up now so we can start the class in earnest. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. If you see me now and you wish to be in a live Igbo class, you do well to join our channel membership. That is the only way you can have access to our live classes every Saturday. Channel membership also comes with other benefits like free ebook every month and some other packages. Very soon, we're going to release, before next class, we will release our next free ebook for this month. So you do well to join our channel membership so you can gain all these, freebies and perks which are unique to you. Sherry Mango, welcome to class. No, na class in Keta. Odema, please do well to hit like button beside my channel name to appreciate, the effort and appreciate our, whatever you are gaining from these classes. Hit the like button and then share if you can, so that we can all, attract more people. Let YouTube show this to more people that may have interest in learning with us. Right. So we have Sherry Mango now. We have Chika. We have Emehe. We are ripe to start this class right away. Ụbọchị taa, anyị ga-ekwu gbasara ego. N'ụbọchị taa, anyị ga-ekwu gbasara ego. Today, we will talk about money. Okay, Senegal dị mma, ekele dịrị Chineke. See your response, Chika. Sherry Mango, kedu? So ibi, kee ka ị mere? I need to get your direct response. Sherry Mango, kee ka ị mere? Achọrọ m ịnụ olu gị. Kee ka ị mere? Sherry Mango, ị nọ na kedu ebe ị nọ? Ọ na UK ka ọ na US? Okay, adị m mma. Kedu ebe ị nọ, Sherry Mango? So ibi, ọ na UK ka US? Kedu obodo ị nọ? Ama m na Chika nọ na Senegal. Emeghe nọ na US. Sherry Mango, kee obodo ebe ị nọ? Okay, UK. Sherry Mango nọ na UK. Wow, that's good. So now ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Ọ dị mma. Akwara m unu na anyị ga-ekwu gbasara ego taa. We will talk about money today. Okay, let's start right now. Okay, listen, you know the rules already. I will make a sentence in Igbo, a phrase in Igbo. You listen to me and you try to comprehend what I've said, and then you respond if I ask you to respond, or repeat what I've said if I ask you to do so in English. We start right about now, beginning with this sentence. Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. Okay, what did I say? Write what I said now in English. Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. Go ahead and write that in English. Let's go. Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. Sherry Bango, you're writing it in Igbo. I say write it in English. Write it in English. Okay. Okay. If I want you to repeat it in Igbo, I will ask you to do so. But write it in English. Maybe I should be the one to write in Igbo if need be. Okay. Ndewo, Mazi Nake, welcome to class. Okay. Nake has responded. Okay. Clement Emehe has responded. Who else is responding? Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. Who else is responding? Yeah. Clement Emehe, we appreciate. We can all see that the sticker for Clement Emehe has changed color, showing that he's the oldest member of this channel now who has paid this month. Okay, the oldest member. He has a yellow label showing seniority. I believe some of us will also get the same badge by the time we pay for this month. So thank you, Clement Emehe. That confirms you are paid for this month. Some other people may have also paid, like Nnake. But if you rejoin again after, you might not have the same number of months. So Clement, I thank you very much. Okay, we have two responses. Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. Nnake has responded. Clement has responded. Where is Chika and Sherry Mango? What do you say? Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. Please write what I have said in English. Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. Chika has responded. Good. Chika has responded. What about Sherry Mango? Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. What is your response? What did I say? Write it in English. Achọrọ m ego ugbu a. Sherry Mango. Okay, you have written. Sherry Mango has also written. Right, everybody has responded. And I dare say you are all correct. Let's go to the next expression. Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? This is a question. Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? Let's go. Write what I've said now in English. Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? Write what I've said now in English. Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? The test is to know how much you can understand Igbo sentences or expressions when they are given out, when there's conversation going on. Let's see how much you can understand that. Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? Okay. Okay, Sherry Mango has already answered. Let's see what other people will say. Please follow the instructions. Don't go outside what I've said. Write exactly what I've said in English. Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? You have already said you want money now, and then I followed up with a question. Okay? Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? So, write what I've said exactly in English. I've got one response from Sherry Mango. What are the rest saying? What are they writing? Let's go. Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? Let's go there. Waiting for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for this live class. Beside my channel name, hit the like button. Share if you can and participate fully. That is the beauty of a live class. You are participating, you are contributing, and you are learning along the way. Okay? Yeah, I'm waiting for your responses. I've made the second expression. I got one response only from Sherry Mango. What are the rest waiting for? Ị chọrọ. Okay, Chika is in. Okay, Chika is in. I got two responses. Yeah, from Sherry Mango and from Chika. What are the rest doing? I asked a question. Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? A question. Okay, you have said achọrọ m ego ugbu a. You all got that right. And there is a follow-up question. Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? Let's go. Oh, okay, Sherry Man. Okay, Chika is also editing her response. What do you want to do? Okay, I got that. Chika, well done. So where are the rest? What are they doing? Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? I got two responses. What are the rest doing? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and supply your answers now. Nake, where are you? Emehe, where are you? Who else is there? Who else is there? Let's have your response quickly. Nake and Emehe. What is your response? Emehe is in. Emehe is in. Okay, I'm waiting for Nake to supply his answer before we mark the script. Before we mark the script, let's have Nake's response. I got three already. Sherry Mango, Chika, Emehe. Now left with Nake. What is your response, my friend? ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? If you don't have idea, but which I don't think is the case here, Nnake cannot say he doesn't have idea. An old student already in the class, so I'm sure he must have outgrown this by now. He should be very conversant with this sentence. So what is delaying you, Nnake, from responding? Are you still in the class? Ị chọrọ iji ya mee gịnị? Nnake, are we expecting you or should go ahead and mark the script? Or anyị chere gị ka m gaa n'ihu? Okay, we're going to go on to mark now. Let's see, maybe Nnake will come in later. Sherry Mango first said, you want to walk somewhere. E.g. is not walking here, it's something you are holding as a reason. Okay, e.g. yeah, hold it as a reason to do something, as a reason for taking an action. Okay, so now Chika said, what do you want to do with it? Excellent. Nnake is in. That's correct. Chika, you're good there. Clement, what do you want to do? Not perfect. Chika got the first response correct. Do you want to hold it what? No. So Chika is the only one that got it very perfectly. Ichoro. Iji, that money. Iji ego ahụ. Iji ya. Me gịnị. What do you want to do with it? Chika is the winner in this set. Chika, up you here now. Let's go. Now, each person, all of you said you needed money now. Okay, everybody say, I want money now. I need money now. And I ask you, what do you want to do with it? That money you say you need now. Now, each person is going to respond in his own or her own way. What do you want to use money to do right now? You will respond yourself and you respond in Igbo language. Tell us what you want to do with that money you need now in Igbo language. Make your sentence in Igbo, not in English. Tell us what you want to use money to do. I want to use it to do this or that. Write it in Igbo language. Let's go. Let's go. Waiting for you now. Write exactly what you want to use the money to do now. Put it in Igbo language, Igbo sentence. Let's go. Who is shooting first? Let's go there. Who is shooting first? Remember, your sentence will be in this form. I want to use it to do this, this, or that. Okay? Let's go. So I don't expect two answers to be the same. It has to be different because you have different desires as to what you want to use money to do. Maybe you want to use it to buy something, you want to use it to pay for something. Okay? It has to be a full sentence. I want to use it to do this or that. Somebody has written. Nake has written. Okay, I got that. Let me see what others are saying. Please make it a full sentence. I want to use it to do this or that. Okay, let's go. I got one response from Nake already. Let's see what others are saying as to what they want to use the money to do. Yes, Nake is in. Where is Chika, Emehe, Sherimango? What are you using the money to do? Sherimango is in with a response. Okay. Okay. Chika is in. Nake is in. Nake, that sentence is better. That's how I want it to be. That's exactly how I want it to be. I said it here. It has to come in form of I want to use it to do this or do that. That is how I wanted it. Okay, and that is exactly what Nake has done in his second response. Okay, that's how I want it to be. Yeah, I want it to be a full sentence. Okay, I don't know if Emehe is coming behind or not. Emehe, are you coming with a response? Clement, are you coming with a response? Let's see what you come up with. I want to use it to do this or do that. Oh, what is the Mehe saying? I've seen Nake, I've seen Chika, I've seen Sherimango. What they want to use it. Sherimango, you have not actually told us what you want to use this money for. You only said Achorom ya ime what? You have not said it. Okay. When I ask you Ichori ya me gini, what do you want to do with it? Okay. So you have not told us exactly what you want to use it for because your sentence is incomplete. You say Achorom ya ime. Ime what now? Ime what? To do what? You only stop at saying I want it to do and you stopped. Sherry Mango. That's where you stop to. So your sentence is incomplete. Try to complete it. All right. I don't know if Emehe is coming or not, but let's start to mark the script. Maybe he will come in. Nake, I'm going to discard your first sentence or you delete the first sentence. I think the last one should be your final sentence. So maybe you have to delete the first one. I ignore the first one. So I start from Sherry Mango, who said Achoromia ime. I've already commented on that. It's an incomplete sentence. So Sherry Mango, make it better. Let's go to Chika. Achorom izutala. Okay. What you said is not wrong, but it didn't come in the form of the complete sentence that we explained. You would have said Achorom ijia zotala, just like Nake wrote his own. That is how it should be. That's how I wanted it to be. I want to use it to do this or that. Okay. Okay. Um, okay, that's fine. Sherry Mango, are you saying the remaining part of your sentence is miri? Are you saying achoromiya ime miri? Is that what you're saying? You want to use the money to drink water? Is that what you mean? I don't know. Maybe that's what you mean. Then Nake is the winner in this set. Okay. Okay. Is the winner in this set. He wrote Achorom iji zota uwe. Excellent. I want to use it to buy clothes. So Chika, you can also amend your own to mean Achorom iji zota ala, which is good. I want to use it to buy land. Okay. Nake said, I want to use it to buy clothes. Achorom iji zota uwe. Correct. Cherry Mango, maybe you want to say Achorom iji miri. Do you use money to drink water? Cherry Mango. You use money to buy something. You don't use money to drink water. Or you can say, I want to use it to buy water in case you want to buy water. Who knows? Bottle water in a supermarket or any form of water. You can say, Atromijia zotamiri, zotamiri, not 1 miri. You don't use it to drink water. You can use it to buy water. Talking to Sherry Mango now. Okay. Let's go to the next sentence. Okay. Ego ole ka ị chọrọ ugbu a? Ego ole ka ị chọrọ ugbu a? Let's go. That's the third sentence. Ego ole ka ị chọrọ ugbu a? What did I say? Write it in English. Ego ole ka ị chọrọ ugbu a? Let's go. Write this in English. Okay. Ego ole ka ị chọrọ ugbu a? Please. Okay. 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 That's correction from Chika. That correction is taken. That is correct. Achomiji azutala. Correct. We've moved on from there, Chika, to the next sentence. Ego ole ka ị chọrọ ugbu a? What do you say? Write what I've said in English. Okay, Nake is in. Sherimango is in. Okay. Clement is in. Okay, I'm waiting for Chika. Ego ole ka ị chọrọ ugbu a? Chika, your answer on this is expected. Ego ole ka ị chọrọ ugbu a? I got Nake, I got Sherimango, I got Clement Emehe's response. I'm waiting for Chika's response. Ego ole ka ị chọrọ ugbu a? Chika is in. Okay. All right. Let's mark the script now. Okay, I take it from Nake coming first. How much money do you want now? Correct. Even if you didn't put money again, it's still correct. If you say, how much do you want now? Okay, but money, adding money is also good so that we don't think of maybe you are talking about something else. Okay, Sherry Mango wrote, what money do you see now? No, choro is want or need, not see. If it is kehoro, it will be see. Kehoro is see, but kechoro is want or need. Talking to Sherry Mango now. Clement Emehe, how much money do you want now? Correct. Chika, how much money do you want now? Correct. So Nake, Clement, and Chika all got it very correct. Okay. Only Cherry Mango need to make a few corrections there. Now the response. I want 20,000 naira. I want 20,000 naira. Hmm. You will write what I've said now in Igbo language. I want 20,000 naira. I want 20,000 naira. Okay, that's correct. We have moved on. We have moved on. Okay, I want 20,000 naira. This is a new sentence. So I want 20,000 naira. Write what I've said in Igbo language. I want 20,000 naira. Write what I've said in Igbo language. I want 20,000 naira. Write it in Igbo language. Let's go. Who is getting this sentence right? Let's go. If you have not hit the like button for this live class, that means you are not learning anything here or you don't appreciate being here. If you do, please hit the like button beside my channel name. That way, YouTube will know that this is good for you and for others. They will be able to share this video to other people, right? Please help us to do that. It doesn't cost you extra money to do that. Just your thumb, hit the like button. That's all. Okay? And it doesn't take you extra time to do it. Just as we're in the class, hit the like button beside my channel name. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you for doing that. Right. Who is giving us the sentence now? I want 20,000 naira. Let's go.